Hi there, welcome to the Beaten Trail. And in this episode, we will continue our series on famous Redding Outdoors locations, and this is Mt Carmel Part 2. Named after the nearby town, this location can only be accessed via Ashland North or Locust Gap. There is no parking lot. This trip, we chose to go through Ashland North and then travel to our locations. So we made it out there with our team, and we are going to identify 3 of the locations where the biggest hills are. So this is really the main draw at Mt Carmel, and we've been here before. It's just so much fun, and it can be anything from extreme to moderate or just driving around and spinning your tires. We are sure everyone who comes to Mt Carmel will really enjoy it. You'll always see some side-by-sides, ATVs, and bikes, and you're really just going to be amazed at the size of the hills and the overall location. There are 3 of these locations at Mt Carmel, and possibly more, but we're going to highlight them for you. So, we did some climbing, but we're not extreme climbers. We're able to enjoy the hills, and we explored all the trails. It is really a huge land area. We recommend that you use Paprika. It's easy to help you track and also see difficulty and overall direction, as well as real-time location. You can run this on your iOS or your tablet. We came over to this area, and this is closest to the town, and you will see the nearby active mining area with equipment. Along with the mining equipment, you'll see these hills, and they're not as large as everywhere else, but you will see a large group of riders usually enjoying the hills. I would say it's probably their favorite area for this reason, and we gave it a shot and had a great time. Now certainly these hills are not the biggest, but there are even bigger ones to come. This smaller outcropping of land has some light basic trails on it, along with some water and marshy area, but it may not be worth your time to visit. Optionally, you could just visit another time. You do have to cross a road and a field to access. Dead end, but this is a blue that goes downhill, and then we have to come back up the blue because it ends in a dead end down another quarter mile. So you guys want to do the blue and come back up?
Do that.
All right, all in favor say aye. The ayes have it. So down we went. These hills were not super rocky, but there was a lot of off-camber riding. You're at a severe angle in some cases, and you really just have to take it slow. But it's a good challenge. We really do highly recommend it if you get a chance to visit this. It does go down to a dead end, so like we said, you have to come back up. It ends down to the end of the property in a railroad bed. Going down is just as much fun as coming back up. Everybody had an enjoyable time, and even though there was a little bit of tilting and tight spaces for the wider units, it was well worth the challenge. The weather was beautiful, and it was a great time with friends. Our final location is the ultimate hill in my opinion. It appears even bigger than the incline over at Darkwater. None of us really have the technical ability or the machine to properly handle this hill, but it was a beautiful view. We didn't see anybody else out there, although I do know people frequent it since I've seen other YouTube episodes. But if you do get a chance, get out there, go to this location, and see all the hills and the sights. You will run into some good challenges, but you know, for the day, we enjoyed Mount Carmel, and we hope you do too. So please get out there, use your maps, see your friends, spend the whole day there. We do highly recommend it, and we give it 2 big thumbs up. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we hope to see you out there on the trail. Thanks again.